this is my intro.
Hi y'all, so as you seen by the title, this is gonna be a getting my new iPhone XR and unboxing it. So this is my old phone. This is the iPhone 7 Plus, and my baby cousin had broke it, so we're gonna get me and my brother a new phone. He has the iPhone X. He's gonna get the iPhone XR in red, and I'm gonna get it in coral. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we're at AT&T, because that's where we're gonna get it at. And yeah, this is my old phone. It like turns on and stuff, but it's like the screen doesn't work that much. So yeah, so y'all, we just came back from AT&T and we got the phones. We got 64 gigabytes. Yeah, and let me show y'all my brother's. He got red and I got coral, and we both got pop sockets. And so we're gonna be unboxing it when we get home. So we just came back home, and our mom bought us a pop socket from AT&T. It's my old phone, 7 Plus, period. Upgraded. Yeah, I'm just happy. I'm not trying to brag or nothing. I'm just so happy, and I am grateful for everything. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you. And my brother got one. He already unboxed it, so there's no reason of letting him come in here and just show him your phone. So here's the good part. And I'm gonna open up so that it's open, so that when I do open it, y'all, I was so excited for y'all to hear that. It's just so satisfying. It was no fun. All of it came off at once. Whatever. Here's the thing. Don't mind my nails. So it just says designed by Apple in California. This is the box, and it kind of has like a rose gold look to it, if you can't tell. Okay, so let's just talk about the, okay y'all, that wasn't gonna work. It keeps on going up by itself, but it wasn't gonna work. So it says hello. And it just tells you instructions and all that extra stuff, and give you the SIM card and then the stickers. I'm gonna put that on my computer, so yeah. Put that back. Put it up. Put it up. And I'm using my dad's phone. He has the iPhone XR as well. So the only person who doesn't have the XR is my mom. She still has the 7 Plus. And she still wants to keep her phone. I'm scared, y'all. I'm so scared. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm sorry, I laughed so weird. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Okay, let's go on. I'm not gonna take the wrapper off because I don't want to take it off yet. So we got the AirPods, and we have the charger, and then the what is this called? Huh? USB thing? I don't know. I'm sorry if I don't say it right. So let's just power it on. I don't know how to dance, so like, period. And we're gonna get some cases, but I'm not gonna make a video of it. I'm gonna do a case collection though. You know that. But so y'all know it always says hello or something like that. So I'm just gonna swipe up. English, United States. Wait, I'll be right back. I'm sorry about that, y'all. My dad needed his phone, but it says quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running on iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you could also set up this iPhone manually. So I put it near my old phone and it's on, but it might not be running on iOS 11. So I'm gonna give this to my mom and we'll finish it, and I'll come back later when we're done setting it up. So yeah. So y'all, I'm sorry if y'all hear the TV or my parents talking. So I had my phone for maybe a week
And you got
by now. And yeah, so I like it so much. I'm happy and I'm grateful. And yeah, so it's like a really good phone. My mom has it right now because she's looking at something. But it's so clear. This is my old phone. And I'm using the XR because my dad has one. Y'all see me? So yeah, I really like it. It's like my favorite. It's the best. Y'all should get it if y'all want a colorful phone. Get it. And I got coral if y'all forgot. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, yeah, bye.